Hey there, welcome back to this brand new playlist on AI-powered codeless testing with Tosca Cloud. Now, quality engineering, as we know, is evolving, and the cloud is the new standard. In this series, we'll explore how Tosca Cloud will transform the traditional testing suite into a unified SaaS-driven platform, leveraging AI and MCP to deliver stable, effective test cases without the operational overhead. Now, if you are a Tosca user, you know the power of model-based testing, but you would also know about the infrastructure challenges which it comes with. Now, the time spent on upgrading the local servers, managing DEX agents, or even troubleshooting license servers, it all adds up. But what if you could keep that world-class automation, but lose all the hardware headaches? Today, we are looking at Tosca Cloud. It is the evolution of Tosca Commander, which you already know, delivered as a fully hosted SaaS application by Tricentis. No servers, no local installs. Now, even in the cloud, the foundation will still remain the same. To create stable, effective tests, you would need stable, effective test cases. Tosca Cloud makes building these test cases faster and more intuitive than ever. So let's look at how does Tosca Cloud handle your testing lifecycle. Well, you can create your tests using the Tosca Cloud, and this is the same codeless experience which we all love using the Tosca Commander. So we create our modules, and then we create our test cases, and then we run them in the execution list. So it is the same cycle, but all could be done on the cloud platform rather than on the desktop application. Then we can obviously run our tests. Now forget managing execution lists on your local or DEX agents. The Elastic Execution Grid lets you run tests in parallel across different browsers using cloud agents. It's a zero footprint execution, meaning it happens in the cloud, not on your servers. Then managing the test data. Well, testing is as good as your test data. You can import massive data sets directly into the cloud. You can use parameterization to run one test case with thousands different data combinations without hard coding a single value. Then Tosca Cloud also helps you to simulate your services. So if you're blocked because an API isn't ready or not working, service virtualization lets you simulate these missing components. It records, you can record a live service or import an API spec to create a virtual twin so that your testing never has to wait for any particular developer. Then comes the data integrity. Now, this is massive for enterprise applications. It reconciles your data from different source systems all the way to your BI reports. It ensures no data is lost or corrupted as it moves through your landscape. And the final, but not least, is AI analysis and MCP. Now, this is the brain of the whole operation. So the Model Context Protocol, also known as MCP, lets you connect AI assistants like Cursor or VS Code directly to Tosca. So you can ask your AI to analyze the last failed run or refactor your test steps, and it happens instantly. So as you can see, Tosca Cloud isn't just Tosca in a browser. It's smarter, it's faster, and much lighter way to deliver quality. It lets you stop being an infrastructure admin and start being a quality engineer. So ready to see how your current assets can move to the cloud? I put the link to the official Tricentis talks and the migration guide in the description below. Now, if you think this is helpful and it could solve some of your real world problems like your Tosca infrastructure issues or moving your tests to a cloud-based solution rather than a desktop-based solution, then hit that like and subscribe button because next lesson, we are going to see how to set up Tosca Cloud right from scratch. So this will be a step-by-step guide, which you don't want to miss.